Hello, everyone. Artist Stephen Graham here, coming to you tonight from my living room in Bartlesville, Oklahoma. I wanted to tell you a little bit tonight about my channel. Yes, I see you, Foggy. And Foggy's here too. Hey, everybody, it's your old pal, Foggy. So I wanted to tell you a little bit about what my channel is, what my YouTube is, and a little bit about my philosophy of art and art education, how I use my channel, and some of the content I've been making lately. So stick around and I'll tell you some stuff. If you're not interested in listening to me talk for a little bit, then go watch some other video. So I wanted to say first who my videos are made for. Well, they're made for different people because they're different videos. Everyone has a different interest. So some are made for art teachers, teaching techniques and talking about philosophies of art education. Some are made for students, maybe a drawing video, how to draw this or that. And those are made for students. Travel videos, travel with Foggy. I've been doing some videos where I just use my puppets and they travel. Those could be, anybody could watch those and be entertained if you like travel and eating out like we do. Some of my videos are about my art. They might not be as interesting to students, but they might be interesting to other artists. So techniques and things for other artists. So they're made for a variety of people, but I don't usually go into controversial subjects. They're mostly for anybody to watch. So I hope you enjoy some of my content. If you watch any of my content and some of it you like, then please give me a like and subscribe. So lately I've been doing some kind of video segments that repeat. So I've been doing a segment called Travels with Foggy, and those feature Foggy, and I'm not in the videos at all. So those are kind of travel vlog type videos that are very lighthearted, very fun, and Foggy will go to a restaurant and eat, or go visit some roadside attractions or some art, see some art. Foggy loves to look at art. So you notice that I am not a ventriloquist type of puppeteer. I am more of a Muppet type performer. So usually I am off the screen and just having Foggy there. And I'm learning how to do that because I'm pretty new to puppetry. So this is all new to me and I'm learning how to film. I'm getting equipment to film. I'm working with my students and they're learning how to film. So they are filming some puppet segments as well. Another repeating segment that I've had going is where Foggy or some of the other puppets will read books. So these are usually kids' picture books. I do some boomerang content where I am out throwing boomerangs or making boomerangs. So a boomerang is a big part of my channel, and my channel's name even is Boomeranggraham. And if you type that all one word with the as one word, Boomeranggraham, you will find my channel. And if you're watching this, of course, you're already on my channel. But please like and subscribe. As far as puppetry and cosplay and things like that go, I'm fairly new to puppetry. I just started making puppets last summer. At least this style of puppets. Now I did make one puppet, my Salvador Dali puppet I made about 7 years ago. But I've been watching lots of puppet videos and learning the techniques and putting some of those things away in here, as well as I sew cosplay costumes and things sometimes. So I have some of those same skills that go into puppetry, but it's something that's new. And I wrote a grant this year and was awarded a grant from the Bartlesville Public School Foundation. And that got my students have all made puppets. Every student in the school has made puppets, and we're having a blast with it. So my puppet content has been a big focus lately on my channel, and Foggy had a great time over the weekend going to Tulsa and visiting Buck Adams' Cosmic Curios, meeting Mary Beth Babcock, going out to eat at Relay Vietnamese. So he had a great time doing that, and we enjoyed filming that segment. So we hope everybody liked it. It's a fun one. Well, you run out of things to say? Doesn't happen very often, does it? I never quite know what Foggy's going to say. That's one of the fun things about working with the puppets is I don't usually write a script or anything. We just go out somewhere on location. We see who we're going to see, and I want to start doing more where Foggy will interview some people and see if we can get him to talk to some people. And I am really trying to figure out, camera setup. Right now, I'm using my iPhone, and I've got my selfie facing me so that I can see myself as I talk here, and I can see Foggy. So when I'm filming, I can put my camera way up as high as I want. I have modified a tripod so that the tripod will hold my selfie stick, and I can quickly get it to whatever height I need for comfortable puppetry. Now it's a lot of work. Puppetry is a lot of work. This is not easy. No, I've seen your ear in a few shots. Yeah, it's just not easy staying hidden and staying out of the shot. If you're in a restaurant, sometimes my students, I'll show them a little bit of those videos where some of the a little bit of travel with Foggy videos. We don't usually have time to watch the entire videos, but maybe they'll watch from home. But they're like, were you laying on the floor in the restaurant? Well, no, I probably won't be laying on the floor in the restaurant and doing that. But sometimes there is a little bit of contortion, and sometimes you'll see my arm in the shot. Oh well, I'm not perfect. It's fun to have mistakes in the videos and learn from them. My video yesterday got dinged for copyright for some of the music as we were just walking past stores. And anybody who makes lots of YouTube knows that this happens. But I'm a small YouTube channel, so I'm not too worried about. I'm not getting paid. I'm not getting paid for my YouTube. I'm just doing this for fun. And I don't care if I have a giant audience ever, but I want to entertain some people. So with my puppets, I want to make some people laugh and have some fun, and just share things that I love and that make me laugh and keep me entertained and keep me happy. Those are the things I'm wanting to share on my channel. So we'll just enjoy art. It's all art. All art. Art really brings joy. And I find that all these art forms are connected. Puppetry, I can do paintings of these puppets now. We can do videos of these puppets. We could make a sculpture of these puppets. I have some philosophy, real thoughts about these puppets that this puppets, I'm not going to take this puppet off in front of the camera here and just lay him over something. Oh, yeah. Looks like I'm dead, huh? That's not good, Foggy. No, let's not even say that. Yeah, just when you got to put him on a stand and pose him up and make him look nice. So it's a lot of fun pretending, make believe. I want to show people that it's okay to be a nerd, and to be a puppet nerd is okay. All right, Foggy, do you have anything else to say? Well, I don't know. What are we going to do tonight? I don't know. We're going to watch some TV, watch some videos, I guess. We like to watch a lot of YouTube content, too. So we watch Jacob the Carpetbagger a lot. We watch him about every day. So some of his videos are very good and entertaining. Oh, yeah. We like that guy. We watch Adam Savage every day. Oh, yeah, Adam Savage. He's got some videos about puppet building. Yes, matter of fact, that's where I got the idea to make this pattern for Foggy here. Yeah. Well, let's not talk about how it's made, okay? Not with me sitting here. Freaks me out, man. Okay. Anyway. So, you ready to say goodbye, Foggy? All right. We'll see y'all later. Catch you on the flip side. Stay groovy, man. Foggy out.
Once again, red was left out. Not even included. Oh well. People are crazy out there. Just go home. Take it easy, man. Relax.
Hello, everyone. Artist Stephen Graham here tonight to talk to you about a very serious subject. Not really.